What is your message regarding this? Saya dengar
Hello, my name is Trini Tomatau. You are my imagine.
Kami abdi we marpau.
Lansian presenti kamu tersedia. Ni hao jio ke syarikana. Dan itu presida. Nama ewa makna nama pau.
Sorry kampun jauh di perjalanan. Hoi, Aikid Dani Pratama Nabeban. Nama saya Sabel Manulung.
So guys, happy Hari
Te pego, tipo assim, você vai pirar.
Rounders mean. Rounders is a team sport game played with a bat and ball, similar to baseball or softball. This game involves two teams taking turn being the hitting them team and the guards team. The main objective of the game is to score rounders by hitting the ball and running around the field past several bases until returning to home base.
History of rounders. This game is similar to baseball and softball. Rounders originate from England have been played since Tudor times around the 16th century. It was recorded in the children's book A Little Pretty Pocket Book in 1744 as baseball. The name baseball was later replaced by rounders in England. Will author adaptation of this sport page as well continue to use the name baseball. The game is popular among British and Irish schools, today exploited among girls. In 2015, rounders was recorded as being played by 7 million children in the UK. In Indonesia, this game is sometimes played among elementary school children.
So guys, the game of rounders has some basic technique that player need to master in order to play well. Here are the main technique in the game of rounders. The first technique is batting technique. In batting technique, we need body position, stand with felt shoulder within apart, knees slightly bent, and body slightly leaning forward. The next is handling the bat. Hold the bat with both hands at the end of the handle, then swing firmly and precisely when the ball throws. Next is hitting direction. Try to hit the ball towards an empty field to make it easier to run to the next base. Now guys, the second technique we need is throwing technique. Throwing technique need under charm throw. Used for short distance, throw with high accuracy. Next is overarm throw, used for long throws with high speed. Next is side throw, used for quick throw to the side when catching a running open. The third is cutting technique, and the cutting technique is the first cutting a flat ball. Use both hands and cut the ball in front of your teeth with your fingers open. The next is cutting a bouncing ball. Focus on the ball, position your hands under the ball, and cut with your palms open. Next is cutting a hard horizontal ball. Use gloves in available and make sure your hands are ready to avoid the impact of the ball. Nah guys, the fourth technique is base running and crouching the base. Run quickly after hitting the ball. Run to the base intermittently after hitting the ball into the field. The next is base touching technique. Make sure that the foot touch the base properly to avoid getting an out. The next is adjust speed. If the ball is still far away from the next base, speed up the run to score a point. Then, guys, the fifth technique is fielding, keeping the base. The defender must be ready to catch the ball to touch the runner and make an out. Next is passing the ball quickly. On catching the ball intermediately, throw it to the next base to catch the opening runner. Next is team position. Defending players should be strategically positioned to anticipate the opponent hit. Mastering this technique will improve skill and strategies in the game of rounders.
So guys, I want to explain to you the following are the player position in the rounders. One is bowler or thrower. Throw the ball towards the batter with a certain technique so that it is difficult to hit. 2. Backstop or catcher. Stands behind the batter to catch a ball that is not hit or miss the catch. 3 is batter. The player will hit the ball thrown by the bowler that tries to run around the field to score points. 4 is first base. First base or keeper. Guard first base and catches the ball to throw our batters who run to the base. 5 is second base. Second base or keeper guard second base and helps the team defense. 6 is third base. Third base guarding third base to stop runner trying to score point. And 7 fourth base. Fourth base sometimes also called the home base guard, whose job is to catch the ball and prevent runners from reaching home base. And yeah, 8 give fielders outside players. Players who are in the outside area of the field left and right field, center field to catch long shots and return them into the field. And yeah, as possession has an important role in defense and attack the game around the game. Okay, thank you for your attention and that explanation from me.
Point or score. The rounders game score consists of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. They score having their own profession, namely score 0 if the player in the attacking team can hit correctly but cannot run to the base. Score 1 if the attacking squad player can hit correctly and can only reach first base. Score 2 if attacking squad player can hit correctly and can only reach second base. Score 3 if the attacking player can hit correctly and can only reach their base. Score 4. Score 1 if the attacking squad player can hit correctly and only reach base 5. Score 5 if the attacking team player can hit correctly, passing on base until home base. Score 6 if the attacking team player can hit correctly with stopping at each base, arriving at home base.
Rounders field. The field in the rounders game is shaped like a pentagon or pentagon, with several bases that the batter must pass to score points. 1. Field size. Length of each side of the field 12 meters or from one base to another. Distance between batter and thrower 7.5 meters. 2. Rounders field parts. 1. Home base, the starting place where the player hits the ball and start running. 2. Fifth base, the fifth base that must be reached after hitting the ball. 3. Second base on the running track. 4. Third base, the third base before returning to home base. 5. Fourth base, the last base before a player completes a full circle to home. 6. Pitcher area, the pitcher where the pitcher starts to throw the ball to batter.
Equipment in rounders. To play the game of rounders, some main equipment is required, namely 1. Rounders ball, made of rubber on scientific leather with a core or rubber core. The size of the ball, the size of a tennis ball with a diameter of about 7 to 9 cm. The ball must be hard enough to throw and hit well. 2. Bat. Made of the wood or light metal, is about 46 cm long with a comfortable grip. It is cylinder in shape with a laser and for instant hitting. 3. Base. Consists of 4 base poles and 1 home base. Base poles are usually made of wood or iron with a height 1 meter. Runner to score point. 4. Rounders field. The game is played on pentagon-shaped field. This distance between bases 12. This distance from pitcher the bat 7.5 meter. 5 uniform and goal. Player usually sport sword and sport shoes. Glove and can be used defense player to catch the ball. Head of elbow used for extra safety. All these equipment help to assure smooth, safe and fair game of rounders. Thank you.
Parent Rounders Organization. The Rounders game has an organization that regulates the rules and competition both on in national and international level. 1. Parent Organization of Rounders at international level. International Rounders Association or IRA is the main governing body for rounders in the world, responsible for rules terms, international competitions, and the development of rounders sports in various countries, based in England, where rounders train. England Rounders, the official organization governing rounders in England. They rule in stating them rules, training, referees, and organization of official tournament in England. Effort with IRA for the regulation and development for the sport of rounders globally. 2. Parent Organization of Rounders in Indonesia. In Indonesia, rounders are usually managed by local school or community sport organization, but official for the apps of Amateur Baseball and Softball Association of Indonesia or PERBASI, oversee the development of baseball, softball, and rounders in Indonesia.
Here how they play. Each player has the right to bat 3 times. After a successful hit, the batter must run to the next batting kick with their bat. If the third hit is unsuccessful, the batter must run to the next base. Each batter will get 1 point for each base he or she passed. Any batter who can return for free space without being put out by the keeper gets 5 points. If the batter hits the ball well, the pass out ball best back to the free space on hit, the batter can get 6 points and hit. This event is called a home run. Thank you.
Benefit of playing rounders. Playing rounders has many benefits, both in terms of physical, mental, and social. Here are some of the main benefits. First, physical benefit. Increases body fitness, running between bases, hitting and throwing the ball trains endurance, speed, and body coordination. Develop motor skill, movements such as hitting, chatting, and throwing improve, and eye coordination. Train agility and balance. Player must move quick and avoid opponent to race the base. Increases muscle strength. Activities such as hitting the ball and running help strengthen the muscles of the hand and feet. 2. Mental benefit. Train concentration and strategy. Player must focus on ball direction, running strategy, and defense and attack tactic. Increases condition. Success in playing, such as scoring points of getting the ball, can enhance self-condition, then quick decision making. Player must quick determine when to run, stop, or throw the ball. 3. Social benefit. Increases teamwork. Rounders is a team game that requires good coordination and communication. Fosters sportsmanship. Players learn to accept victory and defeat with a positive attitude. Goal commitment skill. Player must commitment with teammate to devise effective strategy. Due to multi-benefit, Ronder is often played in school as the recreational and educational sport to improve children's physical and social things.
Here are the 12 basic rules of the Rounders game. Pre-game and gameplay. 1. Number of players. The game is played by two teams with the same number of players, usually 6 to 15 players per team. 2. Playing field. The playing field is circular with a diameter of approximately 10 to 15 meters. 3. Ball and bat. The game uses a ball and bat that meet the game standard specification. Gameplay. 4. Hitting the ball. The game starts with one team hitting the ball with the bat. 5. Running around the circle. The player who hit the ball must run around the circle and return to the base. 6. Other player running. Other player running from the same team can run around the circle and return to base. Running rules. 7. Running in the correct direction. Player must run around the circle in the correct direction. 8. No obstruction. Players are not allowed to obstruct to opposing player. Ball catching rules. 9. Catching the ball. The opposing team must try to catch the ball or pick up. Player caught. If the ball is caught or picked up by the opposing team, the player who is running must return to base. Scoring rules. 11. Scoring. Each player who successfully returns or base without the pickup team score 1 point. 12. Winning team. The team with the most points after the game time expires is declared the winner.
In the Rounders game, there are several filters that can occur both in terms of hitting, running, and defending. The following are some common filters. 1. Filters while hitting outside the hitting area. The hitter must be within the designated hitting area. Miss his turn to hit a player who has had his turn but doesn't hit is considered to have committed a foul. Invalid hit. A ball that is hit out of play before touching the ground is considered invalid. Filters while running. Do not touch the base. A player who does not touch base while running can be considered out. Leave the base before the ball is hit. In some rollers, the runner must wait for the ball to be hit before starting to run. Caught by the ball before it reaches base. If the thrown ball hits the runner before he reaches base, then he is considered out. 3. The three falls. Block runners without the ball. Defending players must not block the runner's path. They are not possession of the ball. Throwing the ball intentionally at the runner with the intention of injuring, this is considered a serious offense. Any violation can result in a penalty such as the weather being declared or the opponent gaining an advantage.
us. If we have a mistake, please forgive us. Thank you for watching, guys. See you.